Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most recognizable American coins, the 1959 Lincoln 1 cent. Although this coin is common in circulation and collections, it holds an important place in U.S. coin history because it marked the beginning of a brand new design that lasted for nearly 50 years. The Lincoln cent was first introduced in 1909 to celebrate the 100th anniversary of President Abraham Lincoln's birth. For the first 50 years, the reverse of the coin featured two wheat ears, giving it the famous nickname, the wheat penny. Everything changed in 1959. To commemorate the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, the United States Mint replaced the wheat reverse with a new design showing the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. This was the first major redesign of the Lincoln cent since 1909. The 1959 Lincoln cent was struck at the Denver Mint, and the small d mint mark can be found below the date on the front of the coin. On the obverse, or front, is the familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner. The reverse features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. If you look closely, you can even see a tiny image of Lincoln seated inside the memorial, making this one of the few U.S. coins to feature the same person on both sides. The coin is made of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. It weighs 3.11 grams and has a plain edge. These bronze cents were produced before the composition changed to copper-plated zinc in 1982. More than 1.2 billion 1959 cents were minted, making it one of the most common Lincoln cents ever produced. Because of its enormous mintage, circulated examples are usually worth only a few cents. However, coins in brilliant uncirculated condition with strong red color can be worth several dollars, and exceptional certified examples may sell for much higher prices. Collectors should also watch for error coins. Off-center strikes, double dies, die cracks, and clip planchets can all increase a coin's value. While no major variety from a 1959 cent is as famous as the 1955 double die, interesting mint errors are always sought after by collectors. One of the biggest myths surrounding the 1959 cent is the so-called 1959 wheat penny. Since the wheat design officially ended in 1958, any genuine 1959 coin should have the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. Claims of authentic 1959 wheat cents have never been officially verified, and most examples seen online are altered, counterfeit, or novelty pieces. Today, the 1959 Lincoln Memorial cent remains an affordable and historically important coin. It represents the beginning of a new chapter in American coinage and serves as a reminder of Abraham Lincoln's enduring legacy.